Hello everyone, I'm Nikki. Now I'm in our warehouse and let me show you about our warehouse. You can see here have many goods. Let me go out. You can see many goods, right? And today I will show you one good. Okay, let me show you. You can see here. This is timing chain. You can see here. This is a timing chain. You can see here. Yes, it's our DQ brand. Let's open it. You can see for one middle box have 10 small box. You can see here 10 small box. Also have our DQ brand, right? And now let me show you our packing. You can see here. Yes. It's very beautiful. Let me open it. Oh, yeah, also have a DQ bag, right? You can see here. They have DQ bag. And let me show you this one. You can see this is one beautiful color for the blue color. Yes, it's very beautiful. Now, if you're interested in our products, you can contact with me, okay? I'm always here. See you. Bye-bye.